So the term gluten means glue in Latin, and it was later used to describe the protein parts of grain flours. In baking, it's still used to describe the stretchiness of dough because gluten gives wheat flour the ability to stretch and hold air, making wheat products chewy and fluffy. If you've ever tried gluten-free baking, you know that these properties are hard to replicate because gluten proteins do something unique. Gliadin forms globules or balls, and glutenin forms long threads. Add water and knead, and the threads straighten and form a mesh, with gliadin acting as ball bearings between them so they can stretch but not break. Add yeast that gives off gas during fermentation, and the air bubbles are trapped and give bread its holes. Other gluten proteins include secolins in rye and hordeins in barley. They don't have the same stretchy properties, but they're similar enough to trigger symptoms in people with gluten intolerance. They're the most abundant proteins in these grains, and the plants use them to store nitrogen and amino acids in the seeds for future seedlings to grow. They're insoluble in water, so you could wash away the other components and be left with a stretchy, high-protein goop that can be used to make the vegan meat substitute seitan. Next time I'll talk about how you can actually be addicted to gluten and how the food industry processes it and makes it more triggering to the immune system, so like and follow for more.